Crafts that make kids smile. How to make a hovercraft. Hi everybody, today we're going to be making a hoverboard craft using a balloon, a glue gun, and a top of a dishwashing, like this is from Dawn. All I did was just take the cap off here, or the thing that covers over top, and I just rinsed this out. And then you need some type of a DVD or CD that you can use for this experiment. So how it works is the first thing you need to do is get the hot glue gun, and you're going to be careful when you use a hot glue gun always. Make sure a parent is around. You're going to put the hot glue around the outside of the cap, just like that. And then after you're finished with that, you're going to put that over the circle, and you're going to push that down. Once you push that down, it's going to harden pretty quickly. What you're doing here is you're allowing for the DVD to have an opening there for you to be able to blow the air through, and then it should blow up your balloon, which will allow the balloon to push against the surface and create a cushion for the CD or DVD to go flying. So after you create this and it's pretty secure and it's on there, it's not going to come off, then you're going to get your balloon and you're just going to place it over the cap. And then once you place this over the cap, you're going to allow, usually that's a fairly easy process, this balloon doesn't want to go, there we go. You're just going to make sure there's enough air in there to be able to blow the balloon up. And this is the part where you add air. And then you're going to blow the balloon, and you're going to then let it go. And it's going to hover itself across the area. Let me show you again. And then as you place this down, you see it is hovering across. I know I don't have a huge area to show you, but it is really fun for the kids to do on a surface that it's easy to smooth across. So have fun with this craft and enjoy it, and you can do it for hours and hours and see how far you can make it, and even have some races with it. So enjoy, and I hope you will be the reason someone smiles today. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Crafts that make kids smile.